A one, a two, a one, two, three.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you.
Apa putih? Ulit nga. Apa putih? Pati nanay!
Ninang nga daw eh.
Nina nga!
Sabi mo nanay.
Nanay tas ninang. Oh, ulit. Apa putih nina?
Hello! Ang birthday ta!
Hello! Happy birthday, nanay! Hello!
Salamat. Happy birthday to my lovely sister. Have a great day and best wishes for you. I love you. Happy birthday uli. Walking niya. Go, sige sabihin niya.
Happy birthday,
Happy
nanay!
birthday, nanay! Love you! Dali sa Hello! Hello!
Oh, dali.
Dito. Hello!
Ay, ikaw muna na. Ano sasabihin mo kay Ate Meg?
Happy birthday!
Piloso mo ka na eh. O ikaw, Jared. Ano sabi?
Happy birthday, nanay!
Hey!
O ay. Ikaw na ay.
Sabi na! Happy birthday, Timeg!
Salamat.
Ikaw na,
Ay, ikaw pa. Okay.
Okay. Ano ba sasabihin ko? Hindi ko kasi ano. Wala pa akong script. Sige. happy birthday na lang sa'yo, mahal. Mahal. Pasensya na sa minsan makulit, pasaway, o kahit na sa lahat. Puro kalokohan ko, yung mga kalokohan ko, yung mga atraso ko sa'yo. Sorry. Sana sa itong araw na to, itong birthday mo, wish you good luck sa karir mo. Sana makuha mo na yung dapat mong makuha kasi, di ba? Very blessed ka na. Pumasa ka na sa dapat mong ipasa sa exam. Ano pang hihilingin natin? Siyempre, sana palagi kang pangalan ito. Palagi kang ligtas sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Happy birthday. Mahal na mahal kita. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Meg! Happy birthday! Ate Meg, una sa lahat, happy birthday. Tapos, siyempre, salamat sa mga... Salamat din sa mga, na-experience mo sa amin na first time lang namin nagawa. Tapos, siyempre, KST. Alam mo na yun. Happy birthday.
Pangalawa sa lahat kasi naunahan na ni Jason eh. Salamat sa pagiging second parents namin dito sa pagtambay dito sa shop. Tapos, salamat din sa... Yun yan, sinabi ni Jason na first time na nangyari sa buhay namin. Tansya ko, Ate Meg! Happy birthday! Oh yeah!
Ate Meg, happy birthday! Salamat pala sa... Tulad ng yung katulad nung ginawa mo sa birthday ko, maraming salamat sa inyo.
JM, please.
Ito na magsalita eh, moment ko to eh. Salamat kahit alam namin na hindi ka masyadong nangingi ng kapalit. Ayun na. Kahit di ka masyadong nangingi ng kapalit, sana magustuhan mo kahit sa maikling, sa maliit na bagay na ginawa namin na video ito. Next!
Happy birthday, Ate Meg. Bila, sa dulo na dila ako eh.
Hindi namin magandaan niya!
Hindi ka rin ko masabi. Teka lang ha, sa dulo dila ako. Yun! Ayun, happy birthday.
Madaya ka na.
Bumalik.
Ulit tayo ito. Once again.
Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Once again, happy birthday, Ate Meg! Wish you all the best! I love you, Mama Tip-Tup!
Happy birthday, bossing.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Meg! Salamat sa mga bagay na itulong ka sa amin. Itulong ka sa amin tapos first time na nangyari dito sa amin sa Uligan. Salamat.
Salamat sa first time.
Hello? Happy birthday? At text ko na yung sasabihin ko sa'yo.
Tuloy mo na ko agad!
Happy birthday!
Salamat, Meg!
Ay, Ate Meg! Happy birthday!
Nakatakan mo na!
Thank you so much! Pero kakanta! Nakatawa ko! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Mami! Adam! Ano? Kumanta na nga ako eh! Wish ko lang Ate Meg sa'yo. Sana more birthday cups to you. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Ate Meg! Sana mag-ingat ka lagi. Relax. Happy birthday, Ate Meg! Salamat sa pa-birthday mo. And I wish good health and more blessing. More blessing to come.
Ben! My birthday! Ingat ka kay Jerome!
first but not the least of all, I would like to thank
Tapos
for all and
Bench body.
I want to greet you very special happy birthday.
Pinag-aralan pala ni Jesus yan.
Prepared yan.
Thank you for treating us not only a friend but only a but
Tama na to.
so we are
Hello!
yes, thank you.
O, sumayo. Lahat.
1,
2, 3! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to my lovely sister. Have a great day and best wishes for you. I love you. Happy birthday ulit. O, tingin niya.
Okay na. Okay na.
Game.
Ayan, sabi. Hindi, pagka 1, 2, 3. Ayan, sabi.